Earnings season is already off to a very strong start, especially with news coming from Apple. Apple crushed it on revenue. Let's bring in Dan Deming of KKM Financial. And Dan, what do you think? How critical is all this earnings news to the market?
Ultimately, I think it matters a lot, Angie, but given some of the other influences in the market right now, you're not seeing it having the impact that I think some market participants would like to see it have. But overall, I think having the general trends that you're looking at Apple, Visa, Microsoft, all these names continuing to show strong numbers, I think will ultimately help find, a foundation in the market. But some of this volatility is outside of the earnings environment right now as we continue to see the market wrestle with the Fed message.
I knew you were going to get around to the Fed. That seems to be the key to all of what's going on in the market action. But why is the market so turbulent right now?
Because of the uncertainty of the message that was delivered partially, Angie, and I don't blame him, Chairman Powell, because of the fact that it is quite a moving target right now with all the different dynamics within the economic structure. But overall, I still think that the market's looking for some clarity, and there is still some dispersion on, how this is going to unfold. Certainly, most of the camp right now seems to feel like there's going to be more rate hikes than less right now. But I still think there could be an argument that they're not going to raise more than 2 times this year. So, that's an outside the box thought process. But nonetheless, the Fed has at least indicated in their talk that they want to raise rates quickly, and it could be up to 4 or 5 times this year. But I think that that's more talk at this point than what we'll see in action.
Always good to get your thoughts. Thank you, Dan.
All right, Angie, thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.